Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania, it's clear that Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt, its lead stars, had a whole host of fun. From Delhi to Ambala to Chandigarh, they ate, they drank, they made very merry. And happily it seems they're determined that the fun continue. And so on a rainy afternoon in a Mumbai suburb at a place called The Dhaba, we figured they'd feel right at home. In fact, so pleased or so we hope was Varun that he actually arrived early.
I think we're waiting for Alia. I don't know where she is.
Oh, wasn't she with you?
No, she wasn't with me. I just feel like she's changed after success a lot.
I would imagine that's a real possibility.
Like,
it's so nice to see that you haven't though.
No, I have because I've not had that much success. but hopefully she'll be here soon because I'm damn hungry. This is like the dhaba and it's a Punjabi place and I am Punjabi.
Right.
So I'm all for like
butter,
lassi, chicken, cooked. Or cooked paise. That's the Marathi and Punjabi mix.
Okay, but wait, I think I see her. There.
I'm sorry.
This is ridiculous, man. But you can't be so late, yeah.
He's hungry, I think.
I mean, there's a way to behave. No, like, I'm kidding. She's always on time, actually. She's always. I'm praising you now. Relax.
I always come on time.
I am always.
But I never put him in the spot.
I'm always a little late. She's always on time, and she always enters in a very grand way.
So I planned this.
I have to say, like she's also coming.
She's also on a crutch. Yeah. So that's.
I'm done with the crutch sympathy. I think it's over.
And it's not like she walks from Juhu on the crutch. She came in a car.
It's over.
You came in a car. You didn't walk on the crutch.
No. I was about to come running when you called me up 5 times hysterically.
So I also want to say this place actually is thanks to Alia.
Yes.
Achha.
By the way, all of you.
Why Alia?
Because this is my idea that we should do a dhaba because we are Punjabis and we are.
Yeah, no, I am Punjabi or Gujarati.
But I'm Punjabi in the film now.
I'm a little Punjabi though. So I'm going to bring my
So
A
you marry
game.
me, then I'll become Punjabi.
Come on.
I'm very hungry. Oh, yeah.
ठीक है?
Lassi.
जो मैं तो पीऊंगी. अरे?
Everything you want to mind, my cap you want my lassi, just relax, bro. You know in Jubi Chu
Gola, Kala Katta.
Exactly like that. It's damn cool.
And
Gola, Kala Katta.
Yummy on this. I hope you don't become effervescent after this.
I hope so.
What did she do last
Delighted to
time?
say
What did she
she
do?
burped.
I have to tell you that this time it's going to be a far better interview than
Yes.
last time. It's going to be more fun.
Did you see the last interview?
No.
Okay. But we're still competing nonetheless. Excellent. I like that. No, but I've noticed that one of your skills clearly seems to be the emission of gas on order.
Bottle सूंघते रह जाएगा और मेरी खत्म हो जाएगी. When I enjoy, it's visible.
But tell me seriously, like look, this is a film where it seems like you all had a bunch of fun. Please tell me that food was a part of it as well.
Yes, we did spend a lot of time in Chandigarh, and Chandigarh there's butter in this, there's butter in that, it's full of butter.
And baking soda.
And baking soda. So that is forever.
Why? Because that cooks the food faster.
No, it just gives the quantity.
And it cooks the food faster.
No.
Baking soda, ask him. Baking soda cooks the food faster? Yes. See?
Who said yes? Nobody said yes on camera. No, so basically, yes, so there were these like good ka paratha and like, you know.
You're doing such torturous business.
Roti and all that.
Okay, but she doesn't eat anything, by the way.
I didn't eat it.
Her food comes from the hotel. And what happens for me is, my food comes from the hotel, but I eat the food, other people's food.
Right.
So my nature is such that I hardly enjoy the food in my plate. I love eating from other people's plates.
Because the calories don't count when you do that,
I just
right?
feel, I enjoy, I feel the
agree.
food in someone else's plate is way better.
Na? Garlic fry.
Lovely.
Yeah,
Denise.
we're supposed to do a romantic.
Are you doing a romantic?
Yeah. I'm going
Any little thing I can do.
Eating garlic.
Yeah.
Nice.
Like it's chewing gum. No, I don't want.
Oh, good.
Take a garlic and come kiss me.
Never.
You have to, Alia.
No, it's against my rule.
Against what rule?
Against bad breath rules.
Which bad breath rules?
Garlic? Varun, I don't want. Okay, this is Zabalasti.
Yo, you just took it out of wasting food.
I don't want garlic. This what? Pani
Pani
puri.
Chicken leke aao yaar.
Varun, when he was in the 4th standard, he wrote in his essay saying I have a crush on chicken. Which
Oh,
standard was
romantic
that? Emotional fool, which I read.
I'm happy that's the piece you chose.
And breast. From the first time I tasted it, I knew this is mine. This is what I'm going to eat for the rest of my life.
It's a
I love
janam
this.
janam ka rishta.
No choice between an evening with Alia or an evening with
Chicken.
Really?
But chicken, I feel, it's become a lot like paneer now.
Shut up, yeah.
True.
Don't
Come
demean
in
it.
between.
Please
You know,
by the way,
plain
it's
pani
amazing.
is very good for you.
Yes.
What pani?
Golgappa pani. Have a sip. Now tell me, let's talk about the film a bit. You guys had fun?
I think there's a Humpty in all of us. There's a Humpty in you, there's a Humpty in me, there's a Humpty in her. So Humpty is basically a character who always listens to his heart, always puts his foot in his mouth, always does stupid things, but he's all heart and he's a little stupid also for sure.
But this is the kind of meal that Humpty would eat.
Right.
This is fully the kind of meal that Humpty would eat.
And
And Kavya.
Yeah, also.
Yeah, because I'm from Ambala.
Huh.
You know,
Kavya
so-
would have a beer.
Kavya, yeah, but Kavya wouldn't have lassi. Kavya would have beer. Correct.
You have a beer, no?
I don't have beer. I'm shooting
You're
up.
a youth icon, buddy. You're projecting your freeness towards society.
I don't drink in work. Please, children, don't.
There's vodka and there's green tea.
Anyway, so yeah, so she would do this. She would like have pani puri, chaat on the road, chola puri. We had like a scene, in fact, where we were eating chola kulcha on the roads of Delhi, and it was so yummy. You know, I mean, I think we forgot that we were shooting. We were just bowing that chola kulcha. And I remember Varun had gone for a shot before that. Said, "Ala, just come here, come here, come here." And I went walking very fast. I thought he's going to tell me important. He gave me one bite of this, and I went mad. Like I still remember that. Remember? So yummy.
It's there in the trailer of Sanjava.
So that little like, you know, the roadside feel of like Punjabis eating on the road. I don't think you can get that yet.
When do you eat? I have not had a meal with you since very long.
We had pizza
Yeah,
3
we
weeks
did,
ago.
we did.
One whole pizza.
Yeah, we did.
Huh.
That we
So
did.
I eat. Like when I have my days, I can full.
Yes, no, I
You
know your
saw,
theory.
you saw
I
me.
have.
Oh my God, the rasam is amazing. Sorry.
When you guys sort of came back, you know, acting on this film, was there just that wonderful feeling, you know, having done your first film together?
See, when they cast her in the film, I was not very happy about it.
What?
We were fighting at that time, so I was very irritated that why is she back in
Shut
my
up.
life.
But the secret is when he read the script, he called me up and said, Alia, I can't help but imagine you in this film. And that we were friends. I said, yeah, okay, we'll see. Yeah, but you never know. And I was doing all of this. And then obviously we were fighting, but then it was offered to me and you were very happy secretly. I know.
No, I was because obviously she's a great person to act with.
He always has to be nice to me at the worst time. He doesn't want to be nice to me, he has to be nice to me because something happens to me. That's why he's irritated with the fact that I can't walk.
No, there.
He pets me and all, like a cat. Purrs.
I'm intrigued by.
She's a little down or something, then I'll like do like that.
You had been sort of saying something like, when the film first came up, like how this film sort of happened, came together, how it began.
I was actually offered this film at a very insecure time in my life. A student had released, got good reviews. Alia had already, I think, got 2 states by then. Sid was going to do Hasi. So I was the one who was like thinking that, you know, is my next film going to be, what's it going to be? Karan got the script and he called me and said, you know, there's this character called Humpty Sharma. And I was like, Humpty Sharma? He's like, it fits you, I feel, read it. And I just loved this character. I was like, dude, this love story is something which I have never experienced. It's not a man-woman love story. It's a boy-girl love story.
Varun read the script, I think when he said, Alia, I feel like if it happens well, it can be like another DDLJ. You know, and then when I read the script, I learned that it's Shashank's tribute almost to DDLJ.
Please, Bauji, mujhe jane dijiye. Bauji, please, Bauji.
When Humpty came, I was like, dude, I know this guy. Yeah. I'm reading about someone I know. The film is very simple, but the relationship is complicated.
So I wanted to ask, you know, you were saying about this whole best friend and love and, you know, all of that. And is that what your characters go through? Is that something either both of you can personally identify with?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's lovely. So expand.
Expand, meaning?
Like expand on it. Tell us, share.
I've decided not to talk about my love life because I've been scolded by some people. Because of some, and I made that thing that I won't marry a actress and all that stuff. Ranbir actually called my brother and told him that tell Varun to not make these stupid statements. And
Because
all that stuff.
I
It's
always
too
say,
small.
believe never say never. So I also never say never.
Cheese naan, come on, try that.
Ale, come on.
It's protein.
Ale, you have to. It's not
Thank you.
Alec, please. Come on, babe.
Please.
Come on, babe.
Varun, please.
No, thanks.
मेरे को एक बार green tea
Apparently,
देखो.
she wasn't allowed to have like the microphone ever on set.
Yeah.
Is
There
that true?
I was not allowed, but I still did.
Because she would, whenever she got the microphone, she would scream pack up. It could be in the middle of the day, it could be in the morning.
I'm a bit playful that way. So when I'm bored, I start doing all these strange
Did
things.
they buy it? Did anyone
Yeah,
buy it?
some people would disappear and all. Like 5 people would just disappear. And my AD Raj would be like, Alia, please, yeah, they just disappear, yeah. They won't go to the mic, won't go to the mic. Even sometimes when we genuinely packed up, Shashank would like take the last shot, just come put the mic in front of me, and I would say pack up, and I would feel just like privileged that I'm getting to say pack up. Sometimes you let me call action also, the whole camera action.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's great fun.
I've always wanted to be an AD. Not many people know this. I think I'll make an amazing AD.